Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to turn on step counter on Android. Here are the steps to turn on and use the step counter on your Android using Google Fit, which works on most Android phones. First, make sure to unlock your Android phone. Open the Google Play Store by tapping the Play Store icon on your home screen or app drawer. Search for Google Fit. Type it in the search bar and tap the app from Google LLC. Tap Install to download Google Fit. Wait for the app to install completely. Open the Google Fit app. Tap Open once installed. Sign in with your Google account. Select the account you want to track your fitness data with. Set up your profile. Enter your age, birth date, height, and weight. Once you provided those information, go ahead and tap on Next. Grant all necessary permissions. Tap Turn On, then hit Allow to allow access to physical activity, location, and sensors so it can track your steps. Hit Next, then hit Next again, then choose your daily goals by tapping on it, then tap Set Goals for accurate tracking. Enable activity tracking. Google Fitness use your phone's built-in motion sensor to track steps. Make sure activity tracking is turned on by going to your profile and the bottom right. Then hit the gear icon in the top right. Then scroll to enable Track Your Activities. Check your step count on the Home tab. You'll see a real-time step counter, distance, and calories burned. Add Google Fit widget. Long press your home screen. Widgets. Find Google Fit, step counter, cal, and kilometer. Drag it on home screen and drop it for easy access. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.